Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin calibrating your new MacBook A2992 screen, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have these ready before starting the calibration process. 1. Power down and prepare. First, shut down your MacBook completely. Unplug any connected devices and place it on a clean, static-free workspace. 2. Open the MacBook. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the bottom case of the MacBook. Keep these screws safe. You will need them to secure the MacBook once you finish calibration. If you're not comfortable with this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you. 3. Disconnect the battery. Carefully lift the bottom case and locate the battery connector. Gently disconnect the battery to ensure there is no power running through the system during calibration. 4. Cleaning the internal components. Before proceeding, take your microfiber cloth and gently clean the internal components, particularly around the screen area. Dust can affect calibration, so it's essential to have a clean workspace. 5. Reconnect the screen. Now, locate the screen connector. Ensure it is securely connected. If it looks damaged or loose, this could affect your display quality. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. 6. Reconnect the battery. Carefully reconnect the battery once everything is in place. Make sure the connection is firm to prevent any issues. 7. Secure the bottom case. Place the bottom case back onto your MacBook and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure all screws are tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, which can damage the casing. 8. Power on and access calibration settings. Power on your MacBook. Once it boots up, go to System Preferences and select Displays. Here, you can find the calibration options. 9. Start calibration. Click on the Color tab. Choose Calibrate to start the calibration process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Adjust the settings according to your preference. This process may take a few minutes. 10. Finishing touches. After calibration, you might want to check your screen's brightness and contrast settings to ensure everything is optimal. If you find any persistent issues, remember that we offer a quote before repair to help you understand any potential costs involved. 11. Final check. Review your display by opening various applications and checking for color accuracy and brightness. If everything looks good, you've successfully calibrated your screen. If at any point you feel unsure or uncomfortable with the process, remember, there's no need for calls or travel. We can assist you with our professional services right from your home. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.